change clip like trailer gear. Cause in a my war, no one can compare.
Pause! Lyrics are chop out teeth and face right now. The man say my shit is like a bumbo clad trailer change gear. Here, bah, 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 bah. Boom! I'll be a shot with a boss over here. Wagwan guy now right now back with another artist phone owner. You hear me I say this one is called Bricks. Brick pan brick. Brick pan brick pan brick. You hear me I say right now Brick have a song called them 8 with True with from Guyana. The song name so. You hear me I say so 8 with True from Guyana by Brick. People, go subscribe to Brick Vevo. You hear me I say go follow Brick the artist on Instagram. Both links are going to be down below in the description of the video and you can go print for yourself. You hear me I say? Make sure I get it right too. You hear me I say? Bricks the artist, Bricks _ the _ artist on Instagram. And Vevo is Bricks Vevo official thing. Go and go support the artist. Right now go run through and see what I'm going for the singer. Tear up the like button. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I'll post every single day. Numerous times for the day. Go check out the last 2 videos I'm post. But right now we are focused on Brick. Brick what go on? You see tackle me I say? Right on! Hey! Yeah,
you know how the thing go? Brinks.
Like the instrument as a foreigner. Come in! Them knows like where they come from, friend.
Come and tell them, so yo.
Tell them now.
Them eat true, we from Guyana, but me no care about the informers. Me rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them pan the corner.
You hear that little boy? Why do you hate the man true from Guyana? Why do you hate them for trying to come from Guyana? Don't hate nobody because they come from no. Don't hate nobody because of where them come from. You see me I say? Cause the man go do my rise can bust it on the corner. But they know the Brick. Go on!
True, we from Guyana, but me no care about the informers.
No care about the farmer them.
Old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them
pan the corner.
I want to them guy they me no care.
Yeah.
Bust me gun without no fear. Bullets strip of guts like
Teddy Bear. Brick. Them in a bust a go without no fear. Them in a boy slam and bust it on the youth and run the bomb buckle by the corner. All the hear about. What them hear about? What bad men people are going to do after Bricks by busting gun them? Brick go on!
And nobody in your camp I go get spare. Man go and fly in the atmosphere. Cause when me shoot whether far or near, I can't change clip like trailer gear. Cause in a my war no one can compare.
Pause! Lyrics are chop out teeth and face right now. The man say my shit is like a bumbo clad trailer change gear. Here, bah, 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 bah. Yo, go on!
True, we from Guyana, but me no care about the informers. Me would rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them pan the corner. Them eat true, we from Guyana, but me no care about the informers. Me would rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them pan the corner. Now them want to stop me shine, but never know say I'm money depend me mind. Listen to me lyrics and listen to me rhyme. A long time we also for the dollar kind. I want to some guy who want for pre. Never know so we want but 3 money 3. So me can take me mommy pan shopping spree.
Me shall right now say if I watch the video like the video. If Brick go on bad in the comment section want to see BA fire emoji right now, make Brick feel the energy people. Come in, make Brick feel the energy people. Make the artist feel the energy right. Make you know the energy right. BA fire emoji in the comment section right now. Just said so. And take the fire emoji. Then see me and say I want to vibes and go so. You hear me I say? You hear me I say? Like on the bumper clap video. Run tune!
Tell her say everything in the world is free. Them eat true, we from Guyana, but me no care about the informers. Me would rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them pan the corner. Them eat true, we from Guyana, but me no care about the informers. Me would rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them pan the corner. I want to them guy they me no care. Me we bust me gun without no fear. Head bullets strip of guts like Teddy Bear. And nobody in your camp I go get spare. Marrow go and fly in the atmosphere. Cause when me shoot whether far or near, me no care change clip like trailer gear. Cause in a my war no one can compare. Them eat true, we from Guyana, but me no care.
So me left me done like to them next car in a dog. In a my car, cause I know my car at the shop if I don't know from the new and thing I go and come again subscribers every day. But my car, Sally, is in the shop. You understand me? I drive a spaceship here for now. You know what I mean? Look how far I'm from when we can't even reach out there, so. Big of a spaceship, but my car's Sally in the shop and thing, you know, it's shop. But not that, boy, that different. But I'm done lighter right now, and I'll be here for you. You see me, so right now, so me not my lighter, I want you to play the part, I'll comment the fire emoji them right now. Comment them.
Everybody informers, me would rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them round the corner. Them eat true, we from Guyana. But me not care about the informers, me would rise up the old rusty llama and bust it on the pussy them round the corner. Them eat true, we from Guyana.
You ever thought about it, right? So people, click the link. One more to do now, I click the links to Brick Official, to Brick Vevo. It's called Brick Vevo. It's going to be in the description down below. Click the link and go subscribe to him Vevo channel, people. Let me say, and then go follow him on Instagram at Brick the Artist. Brick_the_artist. Big up on yourself. Stop checking out the Reaction Boss video. Subscribe for more videos. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. But the aim, the major goal, 100K. Bring on my plaque, and they will start traveling the entire Caribbean. The whole of the Caribbean, I'm going to travel everywhere. I'm going to keep partying. The whole of them. Whole of Bumbuck like them, we keep a party. Reaction Master take over. I think it just a start. I'm out.